Hello everyone, welcome to the easiest subject ever. I'm joking. Today we are going to study solving linear equations. Before we start, make sure that you are happy with the topics, collecting like terms, and you are dealing well with powers and indices. If not, please enter these videos.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We'll start our expansion journey with the first type of expanding, how to expand a number or a constant by an expression. Like this example, 2 multiply e minus 8. If we want to expand this expression, we need to distribute the multiplication. 2 is multiplied by the whole expression, e minus 8, not only by e. So we are going to multiply 2 by e and 2 by 8 and take care of the signs if there is negative or positive, so when I say 2 multiply e, it's 2e. When you multiply a number by a variable or a constant by a variable, you'll just put them beside each other like this, 2e. 2 multiply negative 8, it equals minus 16. So we can say the answer here is 2e minus 16. It's so easy. You will just distribute the multiplication as we say. The second one, 4 multiply c minus 6. Of course, we will multiply 4 by c and 4 by 6. 4 by c is 4c. 4 by 6 is 24, and you have to take care, there is a negative sign, so it's 4c minus 24. Now it's your turn. Expand the following expressions, pause the video, solve it, write the answers in the comments. The second idea that we have today is multiplying also one term by a whole expression by distributing the multiplication, but you need first to know the rules of indices and how to multiply variables. Like this one, 5h multiply 3h minus 2. If you want to solve it, you will multiply 5h by 3h and you'll multiply 5h by negative 2 as well. So 5h multiply 3h, it equals 15h squared. 5h multiply 2, it means 10h, and there is a negative sign between them, so it's 15h squared minus 10h. The second one as well is the same idea, 2e multiply 2e plus 9. So you need to distribute the multiplication again. 2e multiply 2e, it means 4e squared. 2e multiplied by 9, it means 18e. So the expression equals 4e squared plus 18e. Here we have another question. Actually, there are two questions. I will solve the first one and I will let you think about the second one. The first one is, which of the following is the expanded form of 8n multiply 3n squared plus 3n? We have here 8n multiply 3n squared and 8n multiply 3n. If you multiplied 8n by 3n squared, it will be 24n cubed. n 8n multiply 3n, it means 24, and n by n, it means n squared. So we have this choice will be the correct answer. Now I want you to solve the second one and tell me the answer. Which of the following is the expanded form of a multiply t plus 4 minus a multiply 4 minus 3t? If you want to solve this problem, you have to expand the expressions. This is the first step. And the second step is to collect the like terms. So we will solve it in two steps to find it in the simplest form. A will be multiplied by t plus 4 and it will be a t. If you multiply two variables, you will just put them beside each other. At plus a multiply 4 is 4a. We usually put the number beside or before the letter, the variable. Minus a multiply 4, it means negative 4a. Negative a multiply 4 is minus 4a. Negative a multiply negative 3t, it means plus or positive 3at. So we have now 4 terms. 4a minus 4a, of course, it equals 0. So we can say 4a will be gone with negative 4a. And we will add or subtract the other two terms because they are from the same type. The first term is at and the second term is 3at. If you add them, they will be what? Exactly, 4at. Which of the following is the expanded form for 4a cubed multiply 7ab minus 8b squared? If we want to multiply them, we will do the same thing. You will multiply the coefficients. After that, you will multiply the letters or the variables. It means if you have the same base, you will add the powers, okay? If not, just put the variables beside each other. Like this one, 4a cubed multiply 7ab. It means 4 multiply 7, 28. A cubed multiply a, it means a power 4 because you are adding the powers as we say. And then you will put beside it b. Then 4a cubed multiply minus or negative 8b squared. It means negative or minus 4 multiply 8, it's 32. A cubed multiply b squared will be written as they are. A cubed b squared. So the second choice is the correct answer. So the same way, I want you to solve this expression. 4x multiply 3x minus x squared minus 2x squared multiply 4 minus 5x. Try to solve it by yourself. The second part of this topic today is how to expand double bracket. Two brackets multiply by each other. Like this example. X plus 5 multiplied by x minus 7. If we want to do this, we will distribute or we will divide this problem into two expansion problem. It means we will multiply x, the first term of the first expression, by the second bracket. And after we finish, we will multiply the second term of the first expression by the second expression. It means we will multiply x by x minus 7 and then we will multiply 5 by x minus 7. After you finish the expansion for each part of them, you will collect the like terms. So let's multiply x by x minus 7. It will be x squared minus 7x. And when we finish, we will multiply 5 by the second bracket. 5 multiply x, it means 5x. And 5 multiply negative 7, it means minus 35. Okay, do we have any like terms here? Yeah, you have like terms, x and x. You have negative 7x and positive 5x. So we will subtract them. We need first to write x squared and then negative 7 plus 5, it means minus 2. So it's minus 2x. Minus what? Minus 35. Because we don't have any other constants. So you will just write it minus or negative 35. The second problem as well, x plus 5 multiply x minus 3. We will multiply the first term by x minus 3. It will be x squared minus 3x. And then 5 will be multiplied the second bracket as well. It will be 5x minus 15. And then we will add the like terms or simplify this expression. X squared will be written as it is. And then you will say minus 3x plus 5x. It means positive or plus 2x minus 15. The third problem here, x plus 7 multiply x minus 7. You will find them the same expressions except the sign in the middle. 7 at the first bracket is positive, at the second bracket is negative. So how can we find the answer here? X will be multiplied by x minus 7 and it equals x squared minus 7x. 7 will be multiplied by x minus 7. It will be 7x minus 49. Adding or collecting the like terms, it means negative 7x will be added to positive 7x. When you add negative number to positive of itself, it means 0. So we can just delete them and the answer will be x squared minus 49. So if you have this problem again and you have a multiplication between the same expressions, exactly the same expressions, except the sign in the middle, just multiply the first term of the first bracket by the first term of the second bracket and the second term of the first bracket by the second term of the second bracket, and this will be the answer. Now it's your turn to solve these problems and tell me the answers. Now we will solve some other exercises with the same idea but with different coefficients other than x. For example, the first one here is 5x minus 3 multiplied by negative 4x plus 2. If we want to do this multiplication or expansion, we will multiply 5x by the second bracket negative 4x plus 2 and then minus 3 or negative 3 multiplied by negative 4x plus 2. Now this is the turn of expanding or distribute the multiplication. 5x will be multiplied by negative 4x. It means negative 20x squared. 5x will be multiplied by 2. It will be plus or positive 10x. The second expansion will be minus 3 multiplied by minus 4x. It means negative by negative, it means positive. 3 by 4, it means 12x. Negative 3 multiplied by 2, it means minus 6. Now we will add or collect the like terms. When I say 10x plus 12x, what does it mean? It means you are adding 10 from the type of x plus 12 from the same type. It means 22, so it's 22x. This minus 6 will be the same. This negative 20x squared will be the same. Can you solve the second one? I think you can. What will happen if we are multiplying an expression by itself? A linear expression by itself. Like what? If we said x minus 5 all squared. I mean by all squared, it means multiplying the expression by itself. It means multiply x minus 5 by x minus 5. And here we can use the same way that we used from a moment. X will be multiplied by the second bracket and minus 5 will be multiplied by the same bracket. So we can say x multiply x squared. X multiply negative 5, it means minus 5x. Minus 5 or negative 5 multiply x, the same thing, minus 5x. And minus 5 multiply minus 5 means positive or plus 25. And here we will add the like terms. 5x with negative sign, it means negative 10x. Here we'll write x squared and the last term is 25. Okay, so we have another rule. We can use it to find the expansion between a bracket by itself or all squared. If we said x minus 5 all squared, it equals, we can say we have two terms here. This is the first and this is the second. So what we are going to do, we will put power 2 above both the terms. So it will be the first term x power 2 and the second term will be power 2, it means squared, so the negative sign will be positive. If you multiply negative by negative, it means positive. So the third term here is positive 5 squared, like that. And the second between them is the first term multiply the second term multiply 2. Okay, so we can say it's x multiply negative 5 multiply 2. Negative 5 multiply 2, it means negative or minus 10. Multiply x, it means we will just put x beside them. Are they the same? They are the same. So we can use this rule if you can, memorize it. If you can't, you can just deduce it by using the old-fashioned way. Multiply the expression by itself. So if we have this problem now, x plus 2 all squared plus 2x plus 2 all squared, how can we simplify it? How can we find it in the simplest form? We can expand the first bracket, okay, and we can expand the second bracket. After that, you will add, of course, the like terms. Let's see how to solve it. We will say the first term power 2 means x squared. The second term will be power 2, it means 4. X multiply 2 multiply 2, it means 4x. After that, we will expand the second bracket, 2x plus 2 all squared. It means we will make 2x all squared, and it means 4x squared. 2 power 2, it means 4. And between them, you will multiply 2x by 2 by 2. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, it equals 8. And there is one x remains, so we will just put x. Now we will add, or we will collect the like terms. We have x squared with x squared. One of them is 1 and the other one is 4, so the addition is 5x squared. You have here 4x and 8x. The sum of them is 12x. 4 plus 4, it means 8. So this is our final answer. We have a shape that it's a rectangle here, and we want to write the area of this rectangle as an expression, because you will find the length and the width, the two dimensions here are 2x plus 2 and x minus 1 centimeters. The area of the rectangle, it means length multiply width, the multiplication of the two dimensions. So we can say that the area equals 2x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. And then we can expand both of them to find the answer. So we can say 2x will be multiplied by x minus 1, and positive 2 will be also multiplied by the same expression, and we will collect the like terms after that. 2x multiply x, it means 2x squared. 2x multiply negative 1, it means minus 2x. 2 multiply x, 2x. 2 multiply negative 1, it's minus 2. After that, we will collect the like terms, which are negative 2x, positive 2x. Delete them. The final answer is 2x squared minus 2. And don't forget the unit, it's centimeter squared. The second application is for you. We have here a triangle, and you will find the base is 2x plus 2 centimeters, and the height of the triangle is x plus 10. We want to find an expression for the area of this shape. Try to find it. I know that you can do it. That's all for today. I'll see you in another topic. Thank you so much. Good luck and see you. Goodbye.